destination where investment meets new opportunities and growth has no limits. Odisha, a hub of mineral wealth where nature blends with industrial excellence. Odisha contributes over 41.9% of the nation's total mineral production value, securing a prominent position in India's mineral map. Odisha is a treasure trove of minerals that powers India's growth. Moreover, Odisha is the largest producer of aluminium, steel and stainless steel in the country. This vast mineral wealth has paved the way for the establishment of mega industrial base, integrated steel plants, aluminium refineries, cement factories, ferroalloy units and thermal power stations. Odisha government has signed multiple MOUs with domestic and international companies in the steel and mining sectors to transform Odisha into a global industrial hub. The Department of Steel and Mines, Government of Odisha, has been at the forefront of pioneering a transparent and efficient process for allocating the state's mineral resources through its innovative auction platform. The state government of Odisha, through the long-term linkage policy, has strategically positioned itself as a premier destination for investment in the minerals and metals sector. This policy ensures the availability of raw materials to the state-based industries. The Department of Steel and Mines has raised the bar in quality assurance, delivering impeccable results, guaranteeing transparency, efficiency and timely delivery of world-class products. Odisha offers unparalleled raw material security to downstream and ancillary industries coupled with supportive industrial ecosystem. This has made the state a magnet for both domestic and international investors looking to establish long-term sustainable ventures in the minerals-based industry. In a groundbreaking initiative, the department has introduced heli-borne surveys, a first-of-its-kind initiative in the country to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of mineral exploration, unlocking new avenues for growth and development in the mines and mineral sector. The rich and vibrant cultural heritage of Odisha complements the industrial landscape, making it a preferred destination for investors and tourists alike. Odisha is also revolutionizing its operations by embracing cutting-edge AI technologies and digital transformation. The Department of Steel and Mines is at the forefront of this innovation, leveraging the integrated mines and mineral management system to pioneer information and communication technologies. I3MS enables the comprehensive tracking and management of mining activities by digitally monitoring the production, dispatch and consumption of minerals through a system of online permits, transportation details and compliance checks, all within a single digital interface. As Odisha scales new industrial heights, it remains committed to inclusive growth, ensuring that its people benefit from economic prosperity through education, healthcare and infrastructure development across the state, contributing to a Viksit Bharat. Odisha is on the rise, emerging as a dynamic hub of industrial growth and innovation. As the world turns its attention to the state, Odisha stands open and ready, extending an invitation to investors of all scales to become a part of its growth story. Join us in making Odisha truly Utkarsh, a vision of a prosperous and self-reliant India. Come, invest and contribute to Viksit Bharat. Be a part of Utkarsh Odisha. Make in Odisha Conclave.